this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Hyundai Santa Fe, stock number 6138. This ran from the 6th 2015 to the 2nd 2018. It has a D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder diesel engine. Left front 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door has a small crease. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door no dents. Right front 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.